100's of patterns. Part 1. Hi kids, when your parents came to the school to pick your things up, they picked up a video helper pack. Now inside your video helper pack, you will find stapled together one of these. And this is kind of like the blue square behind me, except it's white, but it's got all the numbers written in, all the way up to 100, right? It starts with 1, just like my blue square up here. It goes 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, right? Go get that. Let's have a look at your 100 square from your video helper pack. Here we go. Let's look at the top of the square. Ready? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. And then 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, and then 20. Something new is starting. So, sits. Sits, sign, sue, sant. Sets, sol, sant, together. Sigh, swill, sweat, swide, swoon. Sweaty. Sweaty kids? Swan, swoo, swee, swore, sive, 6, 7, 8, sign, sen. Good job, kids. Now, this number right here is called saw, and this is 3. Okay, guys? Wait a minute, Snail. What's going on here? Oh. Can I take the spoon out of your mouth? Hi, Miss Andrew. Snail, what are you doing here? Well, Alligator said I could. Oh, you've been talking to Alligator? Did Alligator go back to school? Yeah, he said I could come this time. Oh, so you come to visit? Do you want to say hello to the kids? I already said hello. Hello, Sid. No, Snail, you can't say S in front of everything. Say sot. Why not? Because if you put S in front of everything, people won't be able to understand what you're saying. Have you been teaching the kids to count? Have you been teaching them to count by putting S in front of everything? Have you? You have? Okay, well you need to teach them to count using the proper sounds or else they won't be able to understand you. Miss Andrew, I think they can understand me. Okay, well let's do a bit of counting, shall we, guys? Ready? Do you want the spoon? Yep. Okay. Sun. No, not sun. 1. Sue. No, that's not Sue. 2. 3. No, that is 3. You have to go like this. It's the TH sound. 3 begins with TH. The TH sound, you put your little tongue sticking out. Yeah, okay, Snail, you don't need to point to my tongue. I'm pointing to it. Okay. Okay, you point to your tongue. Your tongue. No, Snail, take your tail. Take that out. Okay, so your tongue sticks out by your teeth, but not and then there. It's just a little bit. You just go like that. And you put your teeth on top of your tongue. And then it's like you're saying the F sound, but it just sounds a bit different. Look, this is the F sound. And this is the TH sound. So one's with your tongue sticking out and one is...
Oh, that's a bit rude, Miss Andrew.
Oh, no, that's just how you speak properly. You just stick your tongue out a little bit, not all the way.
Well, if Alligator was here, he could make that sound. He has a very big tongue.
Yeah, he does.
Oh, Miss Andrew, I don't have a tongue.
Oh, well, that's because you're a snail, right?
Uh-huh.
Okay, so I'm going to show the kids something interesting.
Oh, good. I like it when you're interesting. Hi. Miss Andrew,
Yes, Snail?
why do you use this great big blue square up here?
Oh, well, this big blue square has 100 pockets in it that you can put numbers in, right? There's 100 of them. All of that, if I filled them in, there'd be 100.
Wow, that sure is a lot.
Well, 100's a big number, but you know what? There's lots of hidden patterns when we count.
What?
Yeah, and I've got this big blue number square up here. I can show you kids, you know, like where all the hidden patterns are.
Miss Andrew, what's a pattern?
Well, you know, it's when something happens again and again and again, and you can kind of know it's going to happen because it's a pattern, right? Like when you get up every morning and you have your breakfast, you know that's going to happen because you always do that. It's a pattern.
Oh, like the wheels on the bus go round and round, round and round, round and round.
Yeah, like a pattern. It always goes, the wheels on the bus go round and round, and then something else on the bus goes flip, flap, flop, and then something else on the bus goes wah, wah, wah. Yeah, it's like that. It's a pattern. You always know that something else is going to be doing something else on the bus.
Yeah, it's a pattern in a song. Counting is a pattern because you always know what's going to come after 1, 2. Yeah, after 2, 3, after 3, 4, after 4, 5, after 5, 6, see, pattern, 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 pattern,
Yeah, that's right. And the counting to 100 has patterns in it.
What like, Miss Andrew?
Well, I could show you one pattern. Do you want to see one?
Yeah.
Up here we've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. But underneath it as well, we've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Or maybe this isn't a 10. Let's think about that.
Miss Andrew, that's wrong. You don't.
What do you get, Snail?
You get, after 10, you get 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20.
Oh, good counting, Snail. But how do you write those numbers?
I don't know.
Well, let's have a look. Kindergarten, maybe if you look on here, you can see how to write those numbers. How do you think you write 11?
I don't know.
First a 1, and then another 1. What number does come after 10? 11. 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19. And this should be a 20. How do we write those numbers? Behind 10, I've got a whole load of 1s.
Because 10 is the king of the ones.
And I have taken some of those 1s and stuck them in front of the teen numbers. Do you remember me saying that all the teen numbers start with a 1? 11 isn't 1, 12 starts with a 1, 13 starts with a 1, and 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19. All of these numbers start with a 1. After 19, you get a number called 20, and that's a 2 and a 0. Just like 10 is a 1 and a 0. So, I've stuck a whole load of number 2's behind 20, because he's kind of like the ruler of the 2's.
That's like 10 is the king of the 1's. Yeah, 20 is the king of the 2's and 10 is the king of the 1's.
So here you have a pattern. Look at all those 1's. Yeah, you've got a whole bunch of 1's there. Can you see them on the yellow stickies? So all those teen numbers, including 11, 12, they are all starting with a 1. Yeah.
Remember kids, 11 and 12 are fake teen numbers. They don't go 13, 14 like those guys with teen on the end. They go 11 and 12, but they are still starting with a 1. Take a look. 1 teen, 2 teen. Yeah, but we call them 11 and 12.
That's kind of like a pattern. Every single one of them starts with a 1. 11 starts with a 1. 12 starts with a 1. 13 starts with a 1. 14 starts with a 1. 15 starts with a 1. 16 starts with a 1. 17 starts with a 1. 18 starts with a 1. 19 starts with a 1. And then something new happens. 20. Let's have a look at your 100 square from your video helper pack. Here we go. Let's look at the top of the square. Ready? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. And then 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, and then 20. Something new is starting. We'll talk about that next time. But right now, I would like you to go all along here and colour in all the number 1's you see. Oh, there's one. Now see if you can look all around on your 100 square, and if you see any other number 1, you can colour that in too. Okay, so I got my 100 square and I coloured in any number 1's I could see. I checked around here for some other numbers, and there was a 6 here and an 8 here, so I couldn't colour that square in because a 6 isn't a 1 and an 8 isn't a 1. I look down here. No, I don't see any 1. Oh, there's a 1. There's an 8 and a 1. So I can colour that one in because there's a 1 in that square. Can I colour this one in? No, not a 1. Any 1's around here? Oh, there's a 1. I could colour that one in. See if you can see any other 1's around. If it has a 1 in any of these squares, you can colour it in yellow. Yeah, that's right. That's what your job is for today. Okay, Snail. What is a 1 and a 1?
1 teen.
Oh, Snail, you know that's not right.
I know, I'm just kidding. It's 11.
Yeah, 1 and a 1 is 11. Okay, Snail, what's a 1 and a 2?
It's 2 teen, 2 teen.
Snail, it's not 2 teen.
I know, I'm just kidding.
Say it properly then.
It's 12. A 1 and a 2 is 12.
Silly Snail. Should we do some other ones? A 1 and a 3, 13. A 1 and a 4, 14. A 1 and a 5, 15. A 1 and a 6, 16. A 1 and a 7, 17. A 1 and an 8, 18. A 1 and a 9, 19. It's like a pattern.
Yeah, Miss Andrew, counting is a pattern as well because you always know what's going to come after 1.
2.
What's going to come after 3.
4. Bye-bye. Bye-bye. The end.